JDCap26 here. We're just doing the tips and repairs and hobbies. And we're doing another model today. And I'm going to show you that. And we got the Catwoman we're doing today. Okay, so this is a 1/8 model from Moebius. And they really did a good job reproducing these. I don't think they ever made the Catwoman before. They made Batman and they made Robin. That's about it. Before, I think Rory made them. And there's a whole series of these. I'm waiting to get Batgirl. See if I can get. That's on hold right now. And very colorful box. Look at that box. Very colorful box. Just put that down there. And let's see if we can open this up. It's in black plastic, naturally. The box over there. No capes. No hidden, hopefully no hidden things to put together. Here's the base. I think I can keep that base black, actually. I'm not even going to paint it. And maybe, I don't know. She's black anyway, so, you know, the suit and everything is black, so I don't know if I'm even going to spray paint it another color, you know, a black color, because her cats are black. Here's a little story right there. It says pure. I can't even read it. Hang on, guys. Hang on. Perfection. You've completed your Catwoman kit, caper. Catwoman kit caper, but there's more to come. This fine achievement in styrene statuary is the second in a series of quality models featuring Batman's fine crime-fighting companions, Robin and Batgirl, as well. I'll give you a little story, and it says, as well as there's other nefarious new duel villains, and sometimes criminal companions of Catwoman, the Joker, the Riddler, and the Penguin. Collect and build all of them to create your own very Batman series. That's cool. Julie Newman was the first Catwoman, I think. She was like the girlfriend of Batman. You know, Batman really liked Catwoman. So, here's how to put her together. So let's start doing that. Start putting this kit together. Open some of these. There's the arms. And get the scissors here. Get the glue. I've got a much cleaner bench now since I got rid of the drapes, and I built that paint box, which I'm really proud of. I got a lot to do here, so I'm going to build some of these parts, and I'll show you what I built so far, so I'll get back to you. I want to show you this. There's either she's going to hold the whip in her hand, in her right hand, or she has this gun, which is a mouse gun. You could use either or. I'm not sure which one I'm going to use. So that's for the right side, for the right hand. This is the left. This goes on her hip. These parts snap together pretty well, but they still need glue. Okay, so I'm going to have to say that there's some. They're very well detailed on the inside when you apply glue. If you don't get any glue marks on the outside, you won't have to spray paint this. But like everything else, there's parts that you might have to, I'm sorry I'm not showing you that, there's parts you might have to compound, so it probably will need to be sprayed. Make sure you never cut off this peg right here. That's to put the Catwoman on the base. And here's a Catwoman sign. Tell her she's Catwoman. And we're just going to put that aside in the box with the base. Got some cats here we have to cut off. And they go together and you put the heads on. Really, I don't see only painting this. I really think you don't have to, if you're careful, like I said, don't get any glue marks on it. You don't have to paint it much. At least the stuff that needs to be painted, like her hair maybe. Julie Brown's hair was kind of a brownish color, brunette. She was a brunette. I'm going to put the cats together. Just cut these off. Always make sure you cut off the right part. Look at the part before you cut it. I want to show you the glue. This is the glue I'm using. This is a Testors Model Master liquid plastic for plastic models. And see that pipe on there? That needle? It gives you precise, accurate drips or drops of glue, and you can really put it where you want to, the glue. So definitely something you look into. Meow, we got one, we got them done. So here's her whip, okay, and it goes in like that. You don't want to put it in there, the whip, until you have it assembled. If you choose this option for the arm, because you don't know which way it's going, so you want to put that off to the side. Like I said, I haven't decided which arm I'm going to use. So here's the last spew, and here's the face, and some guns and a belt. So we have to look and see what colors those are. The face goes into here. I think I'm going to paint her hair first, and then put her together that way, and then paint her face separate. So here she is, without her face, because the face is going to be painted on the spew right here. Okay, and she's all done. Got to make sure this whip twists towards the front and not the back. I may do some compounding, only because in the legs here it's showing up, so probably the whole body has to be sprayed gloss black, and then avoiding the hair, of course, because the hair is a brown, is a brunette brown, light brown. So there she is, and thanks for watching. Have a great day. Please rate and subscribe, and stay tuned for when this young lady is sprayed up and finished. Please ring the notification bell for that video. Thank you.